Hi, my name is Massad Ayoob. I just go by Mass, and I'd like to invite you to join us on the new Facts and Firearms channel. For my part, I've been in the game for a while, police firearms instructor since 1972, training armed citizens since 1981. Did 46 years now as an expert witness in this type of case, primarily self-defense shooting cases. 19 years as chair of the Firearms Deadly Force Training Committee for American Society of Law Enforcement Trainers, and 20-some years now on the advisory board for international law enforcement educators and trainers. That's given me access to a great many of the top police instructors, and also has given me access to departments around the country for data on what guns, what ammunition, what techniques and tactics are working best for the war on crime, if you will. I've served since the beginning with Armed Citizens Legal Defense Network, and did 2 years as co-vice chair of the Forensic Evidence Committee for the National Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers. That's given me access to a great many attorneys and the advice that they offer for law-abiding armed citizens. And for training, if you're interested, we teach around the country at MassadAyoobGroup.com. Further information, some of the stuff we'll be doing here will be techniques. Some of it will be understanding legal principles and how they actually play out in court. We may be doing more of the interviews with gunfight survivors here, like we've done in the past with the ProArms Podcast. And all those ProArms Podcast interviews are now available on this channel. I'm looking forward to it. I think it's a bit of an adventure. There's a lot of good information out there. We'll be touching on various techniques and principles down the road. Oh yeah, and I'm supposed to tell you like and subscribe to the channel. I guess it's a tradition. And if you don't like it, hell, don't subscribe. And I guess I'll see you there.